Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to change the font size in Python. I want to change the font size of both the script mode and the interactive mode. Go to Tool, select Preferences. In Preferences, you'll select the appearance. Now we are having two type of fonts, plain text and the rich text. You have to change the plain text. I am changing the plain text to 20. Then you have to select apply and press OK. Apply and press OK. Now the font got changed. Another font is there, that is rich text. When you change the rich text font, that will change the help menu Python dark string. So here I am changing the rich text to 20. Apply and OK. Now this dark string area got changed. So this is the way to change the font size in Spyder. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.